Hi, my name's Rachel and I'm here to talk to you about the Healthy Back Bag.
So, why is it healthy? It's all about the shape. The bag is a single strap alternative to a backpack. The teardrop shape hangs against your body, whichever way you wear it. Either shoulder, it works on both. Or even better, you just lengthen the strap to wear it cross-body. However you wear it, the weight naturally hangs against your body. It hugs your back, it doesn't pull away from you. The weight is distributed along the length of the bag. It doesn't pull down from one point on your shoulder, which can lead to neck, shoulder and back pain. The science of it is that the more places a bag touches you when you wear it, the lighter it feels and the less it affects your posture. The concept came about from a collaboration between a bag craftsman, a chiropractor and a doctor to address weight stress issues in a single strap bag, so there is a genuine medical rationale behind the shape. It really is a lot more comfortable to carry than a conventional shoulder bag. Whichever way you carry it, the zip to the main compartment is always against your back. This makes the bag very secure. Also, one of the huge benefits of this bag over a backpack is that you can pull it round and get into it quickly and easily without taking it off, which is very convenient and also good security. The strap has a grippy non-slip lining, which also helps keep the bag securely in place. All the pockets are different inside and out, so if you get used to storing something in a particular place, you can always find it. It also makes swapping between bags so much easier, and as many of our customers have multiple healthy back bags, this is an important feature. So, what goes where? It's really up to you. There are 4 outer pockets. The spine pocket is useful for water bottle, mini umbrella or sunglasses. There is a zipped external pocket, you might keep makeup or earphones in there, and a slip pocket behind it which is useful for quick access to notes, lists or tickets. On the other side is a flat pocket, secured with Velcro or a magnet, which will fit a paperback, a Kindle or a guidebook. The inside of the bag is really well thought out and just as important as the outside. Many bags look great on the outside and the inside is an afterthought and all your stuff disappears into the bottom of a black hole. Not so with an HBB. The pocket configuration has been developed and refined over many years and works really well. Firstly, every bag has a silver lining, so you can see what you're rummaging for. Seems obvious, doesn't it? A favourite feature is the key hook. Clip your keys on here and never lose them again. 2 slots here for pens or nail file and various places you can keep your phone, whichever suits you best. The zipped pocket is handy for medication or other personal items, and the internal spine pocket is handy for glasses. The pockets are conveniently angled so you can get into them without fuss. The pockets not only keep you organised but also help with weight distribution, so the weight is distributed around the bag. The main compartment is remarkably roomy. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, and here's a handy HBB fact: a bottle of wine fits very neatly in a size small, should you ever need to know. Wondering which size is best for you? The main rule is think small. The less you carry, the more comfortable the bag will feel, and stress on the body is reduced. Choose the smallest bag for your needs and body length to get the maximum benefit from the ergonomic design and resist temptation to cram too much in. Small is the most popular size for everyday use. It holds all daily essentials plus diary, gloves, mini umbrella. It replaces the medium to large handbag. Choose medium if you normally carry quite a large, well-stocked bag. This is the one to choose. Also good for day trips and sightseeing. Large is extremely roomy. It's great as an overnight bag or carry-on luggage. Also good for day trips and expeditions. There are also baglets and large baglets, the mini versions of the Healthy Back Bag. These are perfect for life's little essentials and can be worn cross-body, on the shoulder or around the waist. You can even detach the strap and use it as a clutch or clip it to your Healthy Back Bag and use it as a separate compartment. For more information, visit thehealthybackbag.co.uk. You can also stay up to date with all things HBB via Facebook and Twitter. The Healthy Back Bag, the bag for everybody.